Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Electrical Boost. Today we are going to discuss RC series circuit. Okay, basically generally consist of resistor connected with capacitor in series. This is called RC series circuit. Here the circuit shown, there is resistance R and here the capacitor are connected in series with a voltage source. Okay, you can write here a resistor, capacitor and voltage source are connected in series. Here we apply a AC voltage. AC voltage to know what is the behavior of RC series in case of AC. Okay. Here the current is flowing I. Okay, and here we know that previously we know that in case of series network or circuit, the current is same. We know that in series circuit the only one current is flowing, so that here the I equal to IR equal to IC, because we know here the current in resistor IR and current in capacitor IC. Okay, that is equal to IC. But in case of series circuit, in this case of series circuit, voltage are different. Voltage are different. Okay, so that here different voltage drop occur. Let assume voltage drop across resistor is VR, voltage drop across capacitor is VC. Okay, VR here I write this VR is equal to voltage drop across resistor. VC is the voltage drop across capacitor. Okay, here the total voltage, let this total voltage is V is equal to, when we apply KVL, V equal to VR plus VC. That means voltage drop across resistor and voltage drop across capacitor. Okay, next we go to the phasor diagram. Okay, phasor diagram of RC series. Okay, before going to the phasor diagram of total RC circuit, first we consider in case of pure resistor. We know that in case of pure resistor, in our previous video we explained what is the phasor diagram if only pure resistor are connected. Okay, we know that from our previous class. Okay, the voltage in phase with current. Okay, in case of pure resistor there is no phase difference between voltage and current, but in case of pure capacitor the current always the current always lead to the voltage by 90 degree in case of pure capacitor cases. Okay, in case of pure resistor there is no phase difference between voltage and current, but in case of pure capacitor current will lead to the voltage by 90 degree, or you can say that voltage will lag by 90 degree. Okay, just reverse of inductor. Okay, just reverse of inductor. Then we draw phasor diagram of this RC network. Okay, here I consider consider current as reference, because here only one current is flowing, so that we take as current as reference. So here the current like that. Okay, okay, here the current, and sorry, so need this. Okay, here the current I. Okay, then the voltage across resistor, is like this, because in phase with this current. Okay, next we know that this voltage, we know that the voltage across capacitor always lag to the main current. Here the current is I and here the voltage is Vc, so that this voltage to lag by 90 degree to this current. Okay, so that here I draw this Vc, yes or no? Okay, for finding the total voltage across voltage and resistor, we need to perpendicular. Okay, then this is the perpendicular, so that this is Vc also. Okay, then we draw this resultant is the Vc, sorry, this is the total voltage V. Okay, from this triangle we can write this V equal to, VR square plus Vc square root over. Okay, this is the VR square plus Vc root over. Okay, we know that VR is the I into R, this current into that much resistor, and this Vc equal to I into capacitive reactance. Here the Xc is the capacitive reactance, its unit is ohm. Okay, and this is 1 by 2 pi Fc. Okay, then we can put this. Okay, then the voltage equal to, you can write this IR square, okay, plus IXC square, okay, root over. Then take common, sorry, next page we go to take common, then V equal to, you can write like that. Okay, you can see this notes. Okay, like that, this is V is equal to, take I as common, then R square plus Xc square. Okay, then we can write this V by I equal to R square plus Xc square. We know that this V by is the resistance of opposition. Okay, for in case of AC network we call as impedance, so that Z equal to R square plus Xc. From this we can draw impedance triangle, Okay, impedance triangle is like that. Okay, this is the R. Okay, this is the XC. Okay, and this is the this is the Z. This is the impedance triangle. Here we can see. Okay, here see, this is the angle phi. This is the angle for phi. For finding this phi, finding this phi, okay, this is equal to tan inverse R by Z, R by Z. Sorry, one mistake is there. For finding this tan inverse, phi equal to, we know that tan phi equal to this XL by R, or you can write XC by R, or you can write VC by VR. Okay, so that the phi equal to tan inverse XC by R, or you can write cos phi equal to how much? This is R by Z. Cos phi equal to R by Z from this triangle. Okay, here the cos phi always leading by angle phi. Okay, by angle, this much angle. Okay, in case of pure capacitor, it is 90% leading, but 90 degree leading, but in this case it is only phi. Okay, thank you for watching this video. It is all about RC series network. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.